Hello, everybody. How are you doing? This is Mohammed Modibo. I'm back. Unfortunately, I haven't posted any content this week. So, the last video I made, I did speak about, how to accountability for me and, productivity. So, I did have a couple of personal issues. So, it delayed me a bit, but, I'm ready to kick on. Let's kick on. So, but I did realize that the last video, I need to put a follow up on that before start churning out content. So basically, my name is Mohammed. I do have a little background experience on coding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. Basically, self taught. I learned everything I know basically on YouTube. I did get some internship positions, but I've not really gotten a job. So when I started this, it started like a hobby, I would say. So I did have a job, but I was on a break from my job then when I started. So that's how I got started. I was really studying in depth for maybe over a year. Probably I got stuck a little bit in tutorial hell, but that's a story for another day. So this channel, basically, I'm setting up this channel to teach people like me, people just starting up. Then for even me, because I got another job, so uh, I think I've fallen behind on my coding skills. So it's just for the accountability, keep going, and it's a journey for everybody. So people always wonder like, is it worth it? So I think I'm going to use myself as a guinea pig here. I'm going to start, we'll start the journey together, and I'm going to journal my experience. I'll share it with you on the channel. So we'll start afresh. We'll learn everything all over again. Then we'll probably try a few projects. Then we'll see how that goes. So, and for you, what you stand to gain from all this is you can follow me, you'd learn alongside me. Then you could via your comments, give me your feedback. If you think you have any idea of any projects you think might be worthwhile, then we can work on it together. We can work on it together. So I'm targeting people that are just starting up, people that have maybe fallen a little bit and trying to get back onto the saddle. So and basically, what is going to be is we'll start with basically what is web development. Why should I learn web development? What are the benefits of web development? Then we'll go a little bit deeper into what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript. I think this is, for me personally, I think this forms like the bedrock. It's when you have a solid footing on that, then you can deviate to where your interest lies. Yes. So we're going to start with HTML tags, attributes, forms, tables. Then when we're done with HTML, maybe we'll look for an exercise or a little project maybe to do. Then we move to CSS. What are the selectors, properties, about responsive design, layouts, animations. Then we'll learn finally on JavaScript, the syntax, functions, DOM manipulation, very interesting stuff. And I think I want to make it a very project based form of learning because I feel the best way to learn is by carrying out a project and doing it yourself. I think it sticks more. So and I would like to call for a lot of engagement. So it's going to be very helpful for both of us if you contribute through comments, so that we build a community whereby we help each other out. So I think that's what I want to say. So hopefully every week I'm going to release a video. I'm going to start probably next weekend. I'll release the first video. Then we'll keep going, we'll keep pushing, we'll see how it goes. So I'm signing off for now. Everybody, cheers. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.